Hello my dear students, welcome back. I hope you all are very fine. Today we are going to discuss different organs of digestive system. Okay, first of all let's discuss what is the meaning of organ system. Organ systems are that group of organs that take participation in the function, in the specific function. Suppose I am talking about the digestive system. Digestive system is the organ system, okay, in which many organs are participating to perform a specific function. And what is that function? That is the digestion process. In the same way, in our body many organ system is there, okay, that is having the different function in the body. But in this chapter we are going to discuss mainly the digestive system, okay, which are made up of many organs, and in this video we are going to discuss about those organs only. So without any delay, let's start. First of all we are going to discuss is mouth. First is mouth. Mouth is the first digestive organ which you can see it is present here, and whenever we are taking the food in the mouth, there only the digestion process starts. When we are eating anything, one of the watery substance you can feel is coming in our mouth, that is known as saliva, and saliva is secreted from the salivary gland that you can see on the screen. It is situated just back of our brain, okay, nose and brain, it is between of that this salivary gland is situated, and from that saliva is secreting in our mouth, and that saliva is mixing with our food so that our food can become very soft. So first digestive organ is our mouth only. Next we are going to discuss about the food pipe, which is also known as esophagus. So where esophagus is present, it starts from our mouth and it ends in a stomach. As you can see, especially this tube-like structure is known as food pipe. This is muscular tube, okay, and what is the function of this muscular tube? This muscular tube takes the food from the mouth to the stomach. Okay, so only this tube is known as this food pipe or the esophagus. Next we are going to discuss about liver and gallbladder. This is liver. You can see there are two lobes, and here you can see one green organ is also present, that is known as gallbladder. Okay, so these two are also known as the digestive organs, and it is present on the left side of our body. As you can see here, this liver is situated, and back of the liver it is present gallbladder. Both of these are taking participation in the digestion process. Liver used to secrete many digestive juices. In the definition we had explained digestive juices. Digestive juices help in the digestion, and many digestive juices are secreted from the liver also. After that it is collected in the gallbladder. Okay, so gallbladder is not secreting any of the digestive juices, but it used to hold, it used to collect the digestive juices, but liver is secreting. Next we are going to discuss its stomach, the very important part of digestive system. This stomach is like a J. It is like J. If you will see, the shape is like J. We used to write like this. Now this is J shape. This is muscular bag, and it is present just below, and the parallel we can say also, okay, just near the stomach. As you can see, this is a stomach. This is a stomach, and it is like a J bag. It is bag, muscular bag. This keeps our body for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so this stomach is keeping the food for 2 to 3 hours, and for completely that 2 to 3 hours, okay, the digestion process used to perform over here. This also secretes some of the digestive juices, because the wall of this stomach, as you can see, the wall of this stomach is also secreting some of the digestive juices. So here in this video only we are focusing on the organ system, where it is present and what is the name of the different organ system. So fourth number is stomach, and you all can imagine where it is present in your body after seeing this picture. Next we are going to discuss is pancreas. This is not given in our book, but it is very important organ. We have to know. This is like a leaf. This is a leaf like a structure, as you can see, yellow color. Okay, and in our body, if you will see where it is present back of the stomach. Okay, everyone see this yellow color at the back of the stomach. This pancreas is situated, and this pancreas also secrete many digestive juices which mix into the small intestine. Okay, so fifth number organ is pancreas, and what is the shape? Like a leaf, and where it is present? Back of the stomach. Next we are going to discuss is large intestine and the small intestine. Both are like a tube, but one is longer and more coiled as compared to another. You can see the small intestine. It is narrow tube like a structure, and it is coiled very much, whereas this large intestine is also like a tube, but it is shorter as compared to the small intestine. So both are the digestive organ, but the digestion process is completed in the small intestine, whereas large intestine don't do any digestion process, but only the water is absorbed by the wall of large intestine. We will discuss in detail in the next video. Okay, but for now only you have to keep in your mind small intestine and large intestine both are the organ, one of the organ, and it is very important organ of the digestive system. Next we are going to discuss excretory organ. Excretory means those organs that help to remove the waste from our body, and what are that? That are rectum and anus. In our body, this is the last organ, okay, which take participation in the digestion process. Actually, this is not taking participation in the digestion process. It is excretory organs. That means after the digestion, okay, whatever the undigested food or waste material is there, these both organs help us to remove that undigested food. As you can see, this rectum is present here, whereas anus is the opening of the rectum. Okay, rectum used to collect the undigested food. Early in the morning we feel pressure and we have to go to the washroom, okay, so that we can release the undigested food. Till that time, that undigested food remains in the rectum, but when we use to remove that, it comes out with the help of anus. So both are excretory organ, and these are the last organ of the digestive system, and with the help of all these organs, okay, we are completing our digestion. So I hope you all have understood. As you can see, how many organs are taking participation in only one function, that is digestion. So more than 8 organs are involving in the single process, that is digestion. In this way our body is like a machine, okay, and it is very complex machine. It is very interesting to study about these organs in this chapter. So I hope you all will enjoy. Thank you so much.